Before you start, click on your local disk and look for the ProgramData folder. If you can't find it, move to the top of the File Explorer and click on View tab. A drop-down menu appears and select Show More, and then check Hidden Items and Close Application. Afterwards, launch your Revit 2024 application.
Wait a while for application to load and launch. When interface of Revit 2024 opens, move to the left-hand side under Models, click on New. Within the template file, select any discipline of your choice. But for me, I go for the metric discipline. At the far top left corner, click on File. A drop-down menu appears and then select Option below. Move the mouse pointer to File Locations and select. Now click on the green plus button. When the pop-up menu appear, locate C:/ProgramData /Autodesk /RVT 2024 /templates /English. With the template folder, choose the country of the template you prefer. For me, I go with the English metric. After select and add the template you prefer and change its name as seen in the video. After close all tabs. Click on New again, then Revit 2024 is perfect as the older version you used to know.